Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure EV charging station discovery with Open Charge Map, full guide step by step clearly. To configure EV charging station discovery with Open Charge Map, start by ensuring you have a reliable internet connection. Visit the Open Charge Map website to access the latest API documentation. Create an account on the Open Charge Map platform to obtain your API key. Once you have your API key, review the documentation to understand the endpoints available for use. Choose the specific features you want to implement, such as filtering by location or charging station type. In your application, set up a function to make HTTP requests to the Open Charge Map API using your API key. Incorporate error handling to manage any issues that may arise during the API requests. Test the API connection by sending a simple request to retrieve charging station data. Parse the JSON response to extract relevant information, such as location, type. Display the retrieved data in a user-friendly format within your application. Implement a search feature that allows users to find charging stations based on their current location. Consider adding a map integration to visually represent charging station locations. Regularly update your application to ensure it reflects the most recent data from Open Charge Map. Monitor usage and performance to optimize API calls and improve user experience. Make sure to review Open Charge Map's usage policies to comply with their guidelines. Finally, gather feedback from users to improve your charging station discovery feature continually. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.